Hello, good evening all. I'm audible. Hi Shahid, good evening. Awesome. Let's begin. Is there any blocking point related our previous session? Yes, but echo. So is the echo for everyone? So Vigneshwaram Shahid. Okay. So my friend, please change your name. Could you please mention what is your name? 143. Okay, so the voice is clear, audio is clear. Any issue with the previous exercise? Shall I repeat? Shall we repeat any command? So in last session, we have started our 3D solid modeling. We have covered pad command and some dress up command. Yeah. Okay. So is your screen visible now? Awesome. Chalo. Let's begin with the 3D second day of 3D modeling. How to open new file? File, new. Just press P from your keyboard part. Okay. We will use this setting. Create a geometrical set. Okay. Now here you can see. So what will the first step? Okay. So I will allow you to unmute yourself. Okay. Now you can unmute yourself and have good conversation with me. Okay. Reply quickly. So we will so that we can move forward very quickly. Okay. So first step will be we will hide all planes. Right click. I will hold all plane by dragging a mouse. Right click H. What will be the shortcut for hide? Right click H. Here you can see the underline below H. Enter. The what will the first step then? Point 000. Okay. Access system. We will give input this point as origin. Access system will be right-handed. Okay. Which sketch I will use? I will use only position sketch, not the simple one. Okay. We will use only position sketch. Top plane means the Z plane. I will reverse V, will reverse H, will press OK. Just if we need, we want only the representation of axis, but I don't want to select like this. I will put it in which mode? You can unmute yourself.
Low light.
Sorry, loud please.
तो low light में
Awesome. Low light. This is the command low light. See, this command are very
मुझे
useful. That's why I'm
सर वो डाउट एक था उसमें ट्रिम में जो ट्रिम था ना
sorry,
जो
sorry.
हमारा ट्रिम थे जो ट्रिम थे ना हमारे उसके
Trim.
ऑप्शंस यस सर उसमें थोड़ा डाउट रह गया था पहले वाले
Okay, okay,
प्रूफ
okay, okay.
उसमें
So in trim means this one, the sketcher trim.
यस सर
Okay.
जिसमें हमने एज के लिए
One. two, three, four, five. Which one? The first one?
फर्स्ट वन, यस सर।
Okay. See the first one, how to use.
सर अगर फर्स्ट की जगह हम मतलब उसमें शार्प एजेस के लिए मतलब कॉर्नर के लिए चाहे तो ना
Okay.
सीधे नॉर्मल लाइन एक देंगे फिर उसको नॉर्मल ट्रिम करेंगे वो भी तो आएगा ना उससे सर।
Yes. See here we have two lines. Okay. Again,
यस सर।
here we have two lines. Okay. See again, it depends on your requirement. Okay. I will take the
यस सर।
trim. Click. You will get two options like this, first and second. In this first option you will get a corner. In second option the first selection will extend up to the second selection only. See, in first option here you can see you will get a corner.
यस सर।
Again trim, I will select the second option. What I told you, the first element will get extend till the second element, so the second element will be the limiter. Clear the difference?
यस सर। यस सर। यस सर हो गया।
Okay, once again, suppose here we have gap. I will take the trim, the second option, this one. What will happen if I extend the first selection I selected till this line? See, Kitty has calculated the extent of second element, but this line will not extend till this corner because we are using the second option.
We have
Clear?
to use first option। यस सर।
So mostly we use the first option. Okay, trim this first option to generate a corner. We will extend both element or we will trim both element to get a corner.
ओके।
Okay, any
गॉट इट।
doubt?
थैंक यू, गॉट
Your
इट।
name please. Your name?
शाहिद, शाहिद,
Shall
शाहिद
oh
तैयार।
okay, thank
थैंक यू।
you. Next doubt. Okay, shall we proceed? Any doubt
यस सर,
in
यस सर, वी कैन।
sketch? Any
नो
doubt
सर, नो
in
सर।
pad command?
नो सर।
Any doubt in pad command this one?
पैड का प्लीज रिपीट इट अगेन, पैड का।
Any doubt in pad command? S- Okay. So position sketch, top plane means Z plane. I will reverse V, reverse H. Okay. So just quickly we will cover the pad command. See, see if we have multiple close sketch now, we can pad it. See we have in a single sketch, the sketch 2 we have one, two, three profile or all three profile are close. Exit workbench, pad command. So what is the error? Warning. What is the warning? Who can explain me what is the warning? See, as we discussed in our last session, while using any solid tool like this one, these are solid tool. Okay, what we will need?
डायमेंशंस की जरूरत थी।
Can we add or can we use a solid command in geometrical set? Okay, just give me the answer of interview question. We have geometrical set, we have body.
You have to create a body।
Yeah. So see, your good name?
Vignesh, sir.
Thank you, Vignesh. So here you can read the current in work object isn't in a body. Okay. So you can you see which what is defined now? The geometrical set. Can you see the underline? This shows that
Yes,
we have
sir.
defined the geometrical set. So we already discussed in our previous session that anytime if we are using any solid modeling command, we will need a blank or empty body. Okay. So what I will do, I will cancel this one. What will the shortcut for insert body?
Alt IB.
Alt IB.
Alt IB.
So here is the new body. By default, it will be defined. I will use pad command. It is not necessary that sketch should be inside the body. Okay. It can be in geometrical set. It can be in body. But what you means usually means what will the standard practice? We will keep the respective sketch in the respective body. Okay. So how to change? Right now it is under geometrical set. I just want this sketch inside this body. How can I do it? Anyone knows how to change this set from geometrical set to body? Just right click, the last option, change geometrical set, select the body, just press OK. Now you can see the sketch is inside this body and the body is already defined. So now I can use the pad command like this. See, no warning, nothing. Okay, so please write down the interview question. What is the difference between geometrical set and bodies? Who can answer? What is the difference between geometrical sets and bodies? See,
Geometrical sets using for surface and then sketches.
huh,
Body using for only solid body, solid product or
solid
anything.
features. You can see the
Ah, yes, sir.
features
Yeah, sir.
or commands. Yep,
Mm.
awesome. So hope everyone are writing the interview question in a book. Yeah, we have to maintain a
Yeah,
book for the interview questions.
yes, sir.
Okay. So previously we have good discussion on the mirror and the neutral fiber. Who can explain me? The mirror extend and neutral fiber. Mirror is related to, hello, who will give the answer? Mirror is mirror extend and neutral fiber. See, neutral fiber is related to the open sketch. Remember the open sketch. I think we had this in our presentation. Remember this one, this point. Mirror extend like this vertical for the limit 1 and limit 2. The neutral fiber is related to this one. The thickness, what will the thickness of the pad? Remember? Yeah. So please watch the previous session recordings and if you have any doubt, we will discuss. Yeah. So once I click OK, here you can see In a single sketch, we can see right click H. In single sketch, you can draw multiple profile, but only one condition, all profile should be the close profile. What will happen if there is one open profile? Double click on the sketch. I will add a open profile. This is open profile. What will happen? Who can give the answer? What will happen? Can I able to update this body?
No, sir.
How to update the body? Right click on the body, local update. What will the shortcut? Right click L for the local update. Alphabet is L. See the underline. So what I will do? Right click L. Can you see the error?
No specific content saver.
What is the meaning of error? See, the specified profile contains several open contours. Okay,
No,
so just now for the open profile, what we use in pad, we use one option for the open profile.
it's a thick surface, thicken.
Thick, yeah. We will activate the thick. Okay, so pad, double click. Okay, once we activate the thick, it will we can pad it. But again, this is not our requirement. Here you can see it is a pad of thickness 1 mm. Suppose just for visibility, I will put it 10. Can you see the pad thickness? Now it is 10. See, I will reduce the limit to preview. You can see the sketch and the thickness is inside thickness. Okay, thickness 1. What if I want thickness on both side? What which command I will activate? Thickness on both side.
I think neutral fiber.
Yeah. Once we activate the neutral fiber, here you can see the change. In the center of this thickness, we will have our sketch like this, the dotted line. Can you see the dotted line? This is our sketch. Just preview. Okay. Got it? See, this will be our rule. In one sketch, we will draw only close profile. And if you want open profiles, use the another sketch. Okay, see what I will do. I will delete this one. I will keep this as it is. I will add a new body, Alt IB. For now, I will hide this body, previous body. Right click H, position sketch. See the new body is I added the new body. Top plane, VH. Okay. I will add multiple close profile. I can pad it very easily. Just pad, pull the limit 1, limit 2, set the dimensions, press OK. No error, nothing. For the open sketches, what I will do, I will again add a body, Alt IB. See, you have to use keyboard, okay, to speed up your design. Suppose I select this one, this plane, this orientation is okay for me. Press OK. I will draw multiple open sketch. Escape, align, again a rectangle with only three side
Yes.
like this. These all three are open sketch. I deleted this side. Exit workbench. Will there be any warning if I use the pad command for this sketch? See, the sketch is inside body 4. Will there be any warning while using the pad command? Yes, no? Quickly.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what will be the warning?
There is opening here. Opening there.
Ha, yes,
What is openness? Geometry is
yes.
open.
The warning will be, see, what Katya will say, the sketch is open, you have to activate the thickness. Okay, I'll use the pad command. I will click on the sketch 4, this warning. Several open profile. You must specify the construction geometry to solve the open profile ambiguity. Okay, I will press OK. Will activate the thickness. Will activate the neutral fiber. If I want the thickness on both sides, will give some thickness, let's say 50 for good visibility. We click on OK. Okay. Any question, any doubt?
No, sir.
No? Shall we
No,
proceed?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, in last session we also applied fillets. So any doubt with this fillets? Simple fillet, variable fillet, caudal fillet. So the interview question, what is the difference between the simple fillet and variable fillet? Quickly. See, once I ask any interview question, we will engage only 1 minute on it. Okay. So just have look on time. So what is the difference between simple fillet and variable fillet? No answer. Sorry, I was on mute. Sorry. See, I have drawn a rectangle, a pad. Next, I will use simple fillet. Click, fillet. Just give a input 10 mm. Okay, it is not visible. I think the sketch is too big. Drag it very closely. I will drag this one something like this. Open, update. Click on the sketch. Will add radius of 50. Preview. See, you can see the 50. It's looking very small because our sketch is too big. That's why it is a good practice to provide dimensions. Some 50, 100. Say OK. Right click L. See, this is the, so it's good to give some dimensions. Theory sketch. ISO fit all in. So you can see the fit all in command. Okay. Suppose your body is here, something by mistake, it is something here, or it is out of your screen. What you will do? You will just click on fit all in.
Fit all in.
Okay. So this is simple fillet. Okay. 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 So we will use the second variable one. I will increase the limit 1, limit 2 for now. Right click on L. Okay. Second one is variable fillet. So interview question, what is different between the fillet and variable fillet? Select the variable fillet, click on the edge. Here you can add points like this. 1, 2. Just click on this point. If you want to deselect the point, click on this point, this blue box. Just click this green point. It will get deselected. Suppose I want 10 mm over here, 5 mm over here, and 2 mm over here. What I will do? I will remove this point, click on this blue box, click on this green point, I will remove this one. Once again, I will click here. Here we have 10 mm. Double click on this dimension 10 mm. Double click on this dimension, make it 6 mm. Double click on this dimension, make it 3 mm. It will be something like this. Yes, yes, because here we will get 10 mm. Here the value will be the 6 mm. This will be the 3. See, preview. Okay, any doubt with the variable fillet? Suppose instead of 3 point, I need 4 point. What? How can I change? Double click on the fillet. Click on this again point. I will remove this one. I will click 1, 2. Okay, I will change the dimension, make it 5, not 55, it is 5. Make it 15. So how will be this variable fillet? Something like this. Here will be 5, this will be the 15, this will be 10, and again this will be 3. Got it? Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Preview. See, this is variable fillet. Okay. See, mostly what we use simple fillet or caudal fillet. So what will be the difference between the simple fillet and caudal fillet? Say I'm pressing OK. You can see here we have number of visual modes. Just click on this cylinder, this down arrow. Usually we work on the second and third. Okay. So if you want to see the flow of fillet, just select the second option, shading with edges. Click on this. Here you can see the edges. These are not the sharp edges, these are smooth edges. Okay. These, in this mode you can check the flow of fillet. So which is the good one, the first one or second one?
first one.
Okay, see the dimension of first one. See, you can double click on this fillet. You can see the fillet is getting highlighted. You can double click on this or you can double click on this one. Double click. Here we have dimension of 10, make it 30. I will right click on body, press L. So it is very large, make it something 15. Right click L. Okay, this is the simple fillet, this is variable fillet. Now we will use one caudal fillet. Who can give me the answer of simple fillet and the caudal fillet? In last session we discuss. See, I am using the third one, caudal fillet. Click, select the edge. Now it is the value of caudal fillet is 15. Okay. Can you see the difference? This is also 15. This is also 15. See, you can select the multiple faces by just pressing the control and select the mouse. Select by using mouse. This is also 15, this is also 15. Then why it is why there is a difference between the fillet? Who can give me the answer? This is the interview question, okay? We already discussed in our last session. Quickly. S- See, don't mention in the chat. Just unmute and give the answer. I'm not able to see the chat. We do not use variable fillet in industry point of view. Yes. Uh, Sunit, please change your name, okay? Simple fillet will be same. See, you can unmute yourself, okay? Because I'm not able to see the chats, okay? Even though you are answering, your answers are correct, okay? Just unmute and give the answer, okay? In this way, you can do your interview preparation. See, Vigneshwaram was asking, sir, can you say again? Okay, so Vigneshwaram, just unmute and you can stop me anytime, okay? Okay. What is the difference between why there is a difference? Which is the simple and which is the caudal? The left or second?
The left one is cordon.
The left one is caudal and the right one is a simple. Then why there is a difference? Who can give me the answer? See, in previous session we discussed. We have learned this in our 11th, not 11th, we have learned this topic in our 8 to ninth standard, I think. 8 or ninth standard in geometry. Who can give me the answer? What is chord? What will the chord of a circle, maximum length chord of a circle?
The diameter.
Awesome.
Diameter, sir.
So what can be the chordal fillet? See, you can see the red line. What can be the chordal fillet? See, both fillet. What is the value of fillets? 15 mm. Okay. Here you can see. Here is a center. This is the which is a simple one, simple fillet.
It's the right one.
Okay. So this is 15. For the right, this is 15. What we can say? R15. See, previous session we already discussed, but you are not watching the video, even though it is free. Yeah. And this is your code. Did we discuss this point in our previous session? Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
See, there will be no meaning if I will means we will take the same commands in 1, 2, 3 sessions. Okay. What I was expecting the answer from your side. See, you can see check the time. Now it is 8:11. We have only 20 minutes. How can we proceed like this? So you have to give the answers. This is caudal. Sorry, I missed the H. Okay. So I think I already added this image in the presentation. See, yeah, the simple fillet and the caudal fillet. Okay, any doubt? Shall we proceed? So here you can see the difference between all three commands. The caudal, the simple one and the variable. Mostly we will try to avoid the variable, okay? Okay, let's use the face to face and the tritangent. I will hide this body. I will draw new sketch. Alt I B. sketch. I will select this plane. I don't want orientation like this. What I will need, I will, for the right side, I will need H. This will be my V. So for V, I will do reverse. I will swap. Okay, low light, a rectangle. I will give the dimension. Okay, because while giving the fillet value, it will do some complication. 50, 100. Okay, I will keep this near the origin. Exit workbench. Pad. Pulling. I will pull limit 1, limit 2. Okay. See, face to face. Click one face, two face. Adding the, giving some radius of 15 mm preview. Awesome. You don't have to select the edge. You will just select the face. Okay. What if instead of selecting this one and this one, I will select this one and this one? Will it calculate the fillet value? Suppose I select this face and this face. Right now I have selected the first one and second one like this. One, two. See, I will delete this one. Delete. Or maybe I will keep this as it is. We'll try on this side. Face to face. One, two. Error. So the condition will be we will need two face touching to each other. There should be contact, edge contact between two faces or two surfaces. So we can't give input like this. So for this input, this type of input, you will need this one, tritangent fillet, the last option. See, in tritangent fillet, see what does it mean, the tritangent? So if I select this face and the bottom one, okay, I will get three tangent. See, one, two, three. What can be the fillet? The fillet calculation will be one tangent, two tangent, tritangent. Are you getting my point? Yes, no? Sorry,
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
like this.
It's coming like a half circle.
Yeah. So here we will have first tangent, second tangent, tritangent. So this will be our output in last this option, tritangent. See, tritangent, first face, second face, face to remove this one. Okay, awesome. It will automatically calculate the radius. How can I check the radius of this fillet? By using measuring tool. Measure item, click on this, just select on this edge. See, the radius is, can you see what is the radius? R 25 mm.
25.
Okay, any doubt in this command?
No, sir.
So even though if you are confident now, just watch the video, okay? Watch the recordings. Okay, we have covered up the fillets. So everyone knows the chamfer in sketching. What is a chamfer and what is a fillet? What is the difference between chamfer and fillet?
Sir, a fillet is a
Both
curved line and
making
chamfer is a straight line.
Awesome.
Straight line. making edges sharp edge.
Yes. So if I want to provide a fillet, it will be something like this. I will change the color green. This will be the fillet. And if I'm using chamfer, this will be the
Line.
chamfer. Okay. So which input wi- will we need for the fillet and the chamfer? For the fillet, what input
Fillet
we
for
can give?
radius.
Radius or diameter. Okay. And for the chamfer,
Chamfer need some
some length and
length and
angle.
angle. So
Okay. Otherwise, you can give L1 and L2. This will be your L1. This can be your L2. Okay. See. Okay. I have this sharp edge. The last one. I will give one chamfer on this. Click on the chamfer. See, these are dress up command. Okay. Dress up. What is dress up? Something. It is something like making our 3D smooth, or what we can say the beautiful. That's mean by the dress up. By adding fillet. See, in design view, every time we try to avoid the sharp edges. Okay. So we will apply fillet and fillets. So for the chamfer, you can see once I click on the chamfer, here you can see the input length 1 and angle. Suppose I'm providing the 15 length and the angle of 45. What does it mean? The both angle will be the 45. I can see. I can click on this XYZ. Can you see the compass? This is compass XYZ. Now I can see that this is my X view, but it is not aligned. I want a normal view for normal to this face. What I will do? I will check on which plane I want a normal view. So this is my plane, and you can see the axis is X axis normal to my plane. I will click on this X. Yeah, can you see this? Automatically I will give a normal view. So the length and angle means this will be of 15 mm and the angle is 45 means this will be the 45, this will be 45. Okay, see, I will give input this preview. Okay, can you see the calculation in green? This 15 by 45. The second input will be the L1 and L2. See, this is 15, this is 15, or make it 30. Can you see? This is 30, this is 15. 30, 15. Preview. Okay. See, now where means can you identify where we are getting the sharp edges? This is fillet. Here you can see the edge, this one. Can you tell me which are the sharp edges out of this four? Let me number.
fourth one, sir.
Just a minute. One, two, three, four.
At the
Which are
bottom,
the
the fourth
smooth
one.
edges and which are the sharp edges?
One, two
One
are
and
the
two is a
smooth
smooth
Sir, one and
edges,
two
and then
are
three
three
and
One
and four
four
are
and
are
sharp.
two are smooth.
Awesome.
sharp edges. One, four.
Okay, so 1 and 2 are the smooth edges.
three and
It's
fourth
it's
are
just showing the
sharp edges.
representation that the fillet will end on this edge. Okay, just the representation of means 1 and 2, and the sharp edges are 3 and 4. If you want to check, just activate the second view, third option. Now we are in second option, this one with edges, this second one. Once you click on the third option, see the what is the name of third option? Shading with edges without smooth edges. It will show only sharp edges. Activate. See? So we what is our rule that we will not keep any sharp edge. So I will add fillet on this edges. After chamfer, here you can see the last command is chamfer. Inside body we have pad, then face to face, then try tangent, then chamfer. Then on this edge I will apply simple fillet. 15. Click on this, apply 10. Okay, any doubt?
No, sir, God.
Okay, so we have covered up this one, we have covered up this one. See, we will cover this tool tomorrow, okay? Because this is very important related to the manufacturing process. Everyone knows the draft angle. Most of student is already knowing. See, we will cover one last command today. Shell. Once I click on this shell, just we have to provide which face you want to remove. Suppose I click this one and will provide the inside thickness of 5 mm. Press OK. Here you can see the shell command. It will keep 3 mm
Again,
inside
again, please repeat.
and make it a shell. Here you can see
Repeat,
the
sir.
sharp edge inside. Suppose you don't want sharp edge inside, what I will do? Before shell command, I will define. How I can define before shell command? On the edge fillet 5, I will right click, will press F to define in work object. Okay, I will
Sir,
add one.
please repeat it, sir.
Sorry.
Sir, repeat it again.
Okay. See, this is our last command. Okay, the
Yes,
shell.
sir. Yes, sir.
This is the last command shell. Suppose here you can see after shell you are getting a sharp edge from inner side. Okay. Suppose you don't want. Why you are not getting the sharp edge over here? Because we have provided the fillet. What was the value of fillet? Suppose it was something 15 mm. What will the inner, suppose this is the center of your fillet, okay, and this is your 15 mm. What will the value of the second one?
13.
Awesome.
Yes, sir, 12.
12 mm because we have
12,
provided the
12.
shell of 3 mm.
3.
So it will be 15 minus 3, 12 mm. That's why you are getting a smooth flow after shell. Why there is some, why there is the sharp corner in this area? Because we are not provided any fillet on this side.
Fillet on this side.
So what will the uh, sequence in our tree? Before shell, we will provide a fillet on this side, this edge. So here you can see we have defined the shell command. I will define before shell. Right click F. Can you see the underline? Now it is before shell. You can see you are not able to see the shell command because we have activated, means we have defined over here. Once you define on the shell, you can see the shell command. So I will define on this one before shell. I will give fillet, select the edge, activate the command, I'm applying the fillet of 10 mm. You can see the fillet of 10 mm. Okay. Then I will define the shell command. Right click F. I will just update it. Right click L. Can you see the smooth flow? I will activate the second option. Okay, with edges. Can you see the smooth flow from inside?
Yes, sir.
So like this, you have to work in the sequence of tree. You have to maintain the sequence. It is very simple. How to take the section? This is the section command. Can you see this one? This one. Suppose you are not getting this command in part modeling, just take out this command like this and close it if you don't want. Or don't close it, just skip this as it is. You will get this command. Click on this and click on any plane. Here you can see the section. You can see this red cross. Just hold it and drag it. If you want to increase the plane, drag the sides of the rectangles like this. Very simple. Any doubt?
Yes, sir, got it.
Not it. So, okay. Any doubts? Shall we stop over here?
Yes, sir.
Solid day 6. Any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay. Then shall we close the session then? No doubts? We do not use variable fillet. Okay, it's already done. So watch the previous recording, do some practice, do some random practice, okay? Then we
Yes, sir.
will do some calculated design, okay?
Thank you, sir.
Okay, then see you tomorrow. Have a nice day, bye.